y'all, what's up? So today is Friday, August 27th. Is it August 27th? I don't know. Today is Friday, August 27th. Y'all know I stay in Louisiana, so we are in the middle of preparing for Hurricane Ida. It's y'all don't mind my hair. It's been a long day, but we in the middle of preparing for Hurricane Ida. I should have been vlogging earlier. I had to go get gas, well, fill up my car with gas, and then get some food that will probably last for however long if the lights go out. But normally, well, I haven't been in this house in a storm, so this is my first time staying in the house with a hurricane. And y'all know I live in Louisiana. We have hurricanes all of the time, so this is my first time staying in this house with a hurricane. So I'm not scared or nervous. I'm just bracing myself basically. But this hurricane is predicted to be a Category 4 when it hits, and I don't want to freak out because that's not gonna do me any good. My main concern is flooding. I do not want to flood. Like, that's anything else, but flooding, no. So yeah, we have our flashlights, and I have this light. I don't know. 3 AAA. I don't think I have AAA. I just have AA batteries. Good. So my anxiety is already up. Y'all already know I have anxiety. I couldn't sleep last night. Today is Sunday, and it's supposed to make landfall at 12 at noon, and it's supposed to hit through Morgan City, Homer area, and once it gets to Baton Rouge, it is predicted to be a Category 2, which is not that bad. I'm just worried about the aftermath with the constant rain and stuff. That's what's gonna cause flooding, and I'm not prepared for that. I do have everything charged. I have my phone. Well, I need to put my phone back on the charger. I need to charge this camera. I have my work laptop in my thing. I need to make sure nothing is on the floor, because if it does flood, I don't think it's gonna be like that high. I'm praying that it doesn't happen at all, but you know, gotta be prepared. So that's what I'm about to do right now, unplug stuff. So yeah. Hey y'all, so Hey y'all, so me and Mackenzie are about to make some guacamole for the first time.
Yeah.
So let's sit y'all right here.
Give me all the dare.
Yeah.
Is this the dare? Is this the dare?
That's the rules.
Oh.
Hey y'all, so Mackenzie and I are camped out in the living room. We're sitting here watching you know, the news.
Good.
Our power actually just went out maybe like 15 minutes ago.
Yeah.
And then it like popped back on, but it keeps flickering. And we're prepared. I found some batteries to put in this light. So we're just gonna put this on when we get ready to go to sleep. Cause it's like 7:36 right now. I haven't been I haven't gotten good rest since Friday. Well, since Thursday night. We really ain't sleep in. But so yeah. We're just gonna sit here and go to sleep on the couch. I'm gonna make sure Mackenzie probably gonna go to sleep. I'm probably still gonna be up, and I might actually go out my back door. He's, you know, to see, look around with my flashlight. So me and Mackenzie both have flashlights.
Yeah.
And we got this light for when we go to sleep. And I have backup batteries, and then I have this fan right here as well. And
just in case you get hot.
Yeah. What that pink fan?
I don't know.
I thought I bought it over here. I thought I bought it over here. And we also have a pink fan, a little small pink fan. So, I mean, if all else fails, because I know it's gonna get really, really hot when the lights go off. After the storm and stuff pass, and we still don't have lights. If we don't have lights, I can just lift up my windows. That way, the wind is not blowing, but there's some circulation getting in. So, yeah.
But you can't open the window?
Yeah, but it has like a frame too, so the air can get in, but nothing else can get in. So, we can do that as well.
Flies hurt nothing.
Yeah. So, I'm about to sit here and listen to the news. And, yeah. Bye. You got something to say?
Peace, and I hope you have a good night.
Hey y'all, so our lights went out. You see a light because we have that light over there, and we have our flashlights. I'm looking for my phone though. I don't know where I put my phone.
We had it in here.
Is it in the bed?
I didn't burn it.
I'm about to attempt to get some sleep, and I'm gonna set my alarm for like an hour, and then I'm gonna try to get up every hour to check things out. Oh, look, it's right here. I'm gonna try to get up every hour and check things out, and then this I'm gonna do it until or until it stops. I think it stopped at 1. So Mackenzie wasn't scared at first, but now she's scared.
Yeah. I was hearing
Get your fan.
I was hearing like noises, and then I've been hearing like the door, like I've been feeling like the water is like trying to get in the house. I've been.
Yeah.
You hear that?
Hush.
You hear that?
They can't hear if you keep on talking. Hey y'all, Mackenzie is asleep. It's 10:49 right now. My service keeps going in and out, and I'm trying to open the WAFB app, which is our news channel. I'm trying to see where the storm is and where the hurricane is, to see if this is the worst it's going to get, so I can go to sleep, because I'm really, really tired. And it's not loading. Like, it's going in and out. got some movement. I got some movement. Hey y'all, it's the next day. Last night was frightening. Up until I took that melatonin and I was knocked out. But I kept jumping and waking up out of my sleep when it was yeah, if y'all haven't went through a hurricane, like when the wind, especially like a category 3 through 5, the wind sounds like a train, and it's scary AF. It is scary AF. I'm about to head to my parents' house because they have a gas stove. I don't have a gas stove, and I kind of just want to see what I can see. And we're not supposed to do this, but I'm doing it. Yeah. Hey guys, so we are back home finally. So we just got back home. Today is Tuesday. I just want to say first of all that I know this vlog was all over the freaking place. It was so random. It's because y'all know everything was going on. So I'm gonna look over the footage and just put up what I have. So as you can see, we do have lights. So we got lights today about 2 hours ago. Yeah, about 2 hours ago we got lights, and I had a alert from my alarm system saying that it was powered about 2 hours ago. So we came back home. It is literally no place like home. Hurricane Ida was definitely one for the books. I didn't get much damage outside of damage to my fence. So yeah, I want to go look on the roof too to see if I have any leaks and stuff on my attic, but yeah, it was a hurricane. It was like, because we deal with hurricanes all the time, and it was just a hurricane. It wasn't the worst, but it definitely wasn't the like the easiest hurricane either. Although a lot of people are still out of power, I pray that they put their power on fast, because tomorrow, which is Wednesday, is supposed to be like a heat advisory, and I can't imagine just being in a house with like out power and it's so hot outside. I pray that they are working on that really, really fast. But right now I'm just working on cleaning my house and putting everything back where it belongs. So yeah, I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.